Our story begins in the silent, endless depths of space, where time seems to stretch and the universe holds its breath. Aboard a sleek, advanced vessel, the Zorpods, curious and intrepid alien explorers, travel through the void, eager to revisit a planet that once captured their imagination. Their last visit to Earth was 60 million years ago, a time when the world was ruled by early mammals darting through dense, vibrant forests, and the air was thick with the sounds of ancient life. Now, after eons spent traversing the cosmos, they return to a world utterly transformed, uncertain of what they will find. As their ship pierces the atmosphere, alarms ring out. Earth is now gripped by an intense, unrelenting cold, far beyond what they remember. The endless jungles and teeming life they once observed have vanished, replaced by vast, blinding sheets of ice stretching as far as their sensors can detect. Towering glaciers slowly carve their way through mountain valleys, reshaping the land. The entire planet seems locked in a deep, ancient chill, a world in the grip of a great ice age. Yet the Zorpods are not disappointed. Instead, they are fascinated. Life, against all odds, has adapted in spectacular and unexpected ways to this frozen world. They descend for a closer look, marveling at ice sheets 2 miles thick, stretching across continents, and a landscape of stark, haunting beauty that is both alien and familiar. What kind of creatures could possibly survive in such harsh conditions? The Zorpods are filled with questions and a burning curiosity to discover the secrets of this resilient world. Their mission quickly shifts from a routine survey to a quest to understand the incredible resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. Preparing their advanced exploratory craft, the Zorpods set out across the frozen expanse, determined to witness firsthand the creatures and mysteries of this icy age. They are about to observe one of Earth's most dramatic and challenging eras, the last great ice age, a time of survival, transformation, and wonder. The journey of discovery is just beginning, and every step brings new surprises and revelations. With anticipation and excitement, the Zorpods are ready to explore a world reborn in ice, eager to uncover the stories hidden beneath the snow and glaciers. What is an ice age? It's a question that has fascinated scientists and explorers for generations. Imagine a world transformed by cold, where vast stretches of land are buried beneath thick, glittering ice, and the very face of the planet is reshaped by freezing temperatures. An ice age is a period when Earth's temperature drops dramatically for thousands, sometimes even millions of years. During these times, massive ice sheets grow and spread, covering huge parts of the continents and turning familiar landscapes into frozen wilderness. The last great ice age, known as the Pleistocene Epoch, began over 2.5 million years ago. It was a time of dramatic change, shaping the world as we know it today. With so much water locked up in ice, sea levels dropped, exposing land bridges that connected continents and allowed animals and early humans to migrate to new lands. But ice ages aren't just endless winters. They have cycles, long, freezing glacial periods followed by shorter, warmer interglacial periods when the ice retreats and life flourishes. In fact, we're living in one of those warmer interglacial periods right now, surrounded by forests, rivers, and green landscapes. During the coldest glacial periods, ice sheets advanced over North America, Europe, and Asia, transforming entire continents into icy deserts. The Zorpods' instruments record a world 8 degrees colder than today, a difference so extreme it buries cities and forests under miles of ice, changing the climate and the land forever. The sheer weight of these enormous ice sheets press down the land itself, carving valleys and shaping mountains, leaving marks that we can still see today. Flying over what we now call Canada and Scandinavia, the Zorpods see only endless white, vast frozen tundra stretching as far as the eye can see. Life during the Ice Age faced incredible challenges. Plants and animals had to find new ways to grow, eat, and survive in the relentless cold, with food scarce and conditions harsh. Yet life adapted. On the edges of the ice, vast plains of hardy grasses and shrubs formed what's known as the Mammoth Steppe, a unique ecosystem teeming with life. Here, the true giants of the Ice Age thrived: woolly mammoths, giant sloths, and saber-toothed cats, all perfectly suited to the cold. The Zorpods are about to meet these legendary creatures, stepping into a world where survival meant adapting to the ice, and where every day was a struggle against the cold. The Zorpods quickly identify the cause of these icy ages: Earth's relationship with the sun. The Milankovitch cycles, changes in Earth's orbit, tilt and wobble, drive the rhythm of the planet's climate. Every 100,000 years, Earth's orbit shifts from circular to elliptical, changing how much solar energy we receive. The planet's tilt wobbles over 41,000 years, altering the intensity of seasons. Less tilt means milder seasons and cooler summers, letting ice build up year after year. Precession, a slow wobble, changes which hemisphere gets more sunlight. When these cycles align, elliptical orbit, small tilt, specific wobble, conditions are perfect for an ice age. It's a cosmic clockwork, shaping Earth for millions of years. The Zoopods marvel at this grand, predictable dance. The stage is set for the rise of giants. As the Zoopods land on the vast frozen plains, they are greeted by a breathtaking sight. Herds of colossal creatures roaming the icy wilderness, the legendary Megafauna of the Ice Age. These ancient giants dominate the landscape, their massive forms moving slowly across the snow-covered ground, leaving deep tracks behind them. The woolly mammoth stands out among them all, a shaggy, insulated giant with long, curved tusks, perfectly adapted to the relentless cold. Its presence is both majestic and awe-inspiring, a true icon of the Ice Age. Its thick, woolly fur, dense fat layer, and unique blood chemistry work together to keep it alive in freezing temperatures that would be deadly to most creatures. Even in blizzards, the mammoth remains undaunted, its adaptations a testament to nature's ingenuity. With powerful sweeps of their tusks, mammoths clear away deep snow, uncovering the frozen grasses and plants hidden beneath. This clever behavior allows them to find food even in the harshest winters, ensuring their survival. Nearby, the Zoopods spot another marvel, the Glyptodon. This giant armored herbivore resembles a walking fortress, its domed shell providing protection against the fiercest Ice Age predators. Though slow-moving, the Glyptodon is well protected. It grazes steadily on tough, fibrous steppe vegetation, using its powerful jaws to break down even the hardest plants. Suddenly, a giant ground sloth lumbers into view, towering over the landscape. With its immense size and powerful claws, it pulls down tree branches and digs deep into the frozen earth for roots and tubers. These gentle giants, some reaching over 6 meters tall, move slowly but steadily. Their sheer size means they have few natural enemies, and they play a vital role in shaping the Ice Age ecosystem. Each of these remarkable species is a marvel of adaptation, thriving in a world of ice, scarcity, and constant challenge. Their survival strategies are as diverse as their forms. The Zoopods are awed by the resilience, ingenuity, and diversity of life they witness. The frozen world is far from empty. It teems with creatures uniquely suited to its challenges. These giants are living proof that evolution can conquer even the harshest environments, shaping life into extraordinary forms capable of surviving against all odds. The vast frozen steppe is alive with wonders and ancient mysteries. Inspired by what they've seen, the Zoopods press on, eager to uncover more secrets of this incredible Ice Age world. The Zoopods follow a family of woolly mammoths for a day, observing their social bonds and survival strategies. Led by a wise matriarch, the herd moves across the plains, calves protected at the center. Mammoths communicate with deep rumbles, coordinating as they search for food. Nearby, solitary glyptodonts dig shallow burrows for shelter, their armored shells shielding them from the wind. As dusk falls, a giant ground sloth finds a cave for the night, seeking refuge from predators and cold. The Zoopods note the intelligence and resourcefulness of these animals. Life here is a daily struggle, finding food, shelter, and safety. Yet these giants have carved out a successful existence. They are the rulers of this frozen kingdom. The Zoopods record every detail, preserving the memory of these magnificent beasts. The Ice Age world is harsh, but full of life. The Zoopods leap forward 10,000 years to a world transformed. The ice sheets are retreating, forests spread, and the Great Plains vanish. Most shocking is the silence. The mammoths, ground sloths, and glyptodonts are gone. The age of giants has ended. What happened? The Zoopods analyzed the data. Rapid climate warming destroyed the open habitats these animals needed. Forests replaced grasslands, food sources vanished, and new diseases emerged. Large bodies, once an advantage, became a liability in the warming world. But there's another factor, a new intelligent predator: early humans, Homo sapiens, skilled hunters, spread across the globe. The extinction of the megafauna is a complex puzzle, rapid climate change and the arrival of a super predator. The world changed too quickly for the giants to adapt. The Zoopods witnessed the end of an era. The stage is set for humanity's rise. The Zorpods focus on the new rulers of Earth, our ancestors. Physically unimpressive but armed with powerful brains, early humans adapt to every challenge. They create tools, master fire, and hunt in coordinated groups. Using stone-tipped spears and atlatls, they hunt mammoths with strategy and teamwork. For the giants, humans are a new and deadly threat. Evidence of this era is left in cave paintings, mammoths, bison, and lions rendered in ochre and charcoal. These images are more than art, they're records of a lost world. Did humans hunt the megafauna to extinction? The timing fits. As human populations expand, the great animals disappear, a theory called the overkill hypothesis. But the truth is likely a combination. Climate change weakened the giants, and human hunting finished the job. The Zorpods see the dawn of a new age. Humanity's rise reshapes the planet. The Ice Age giants become legends. The Zorpods jump to our present day, 2025. Earth is transformed, cities rise and humans dominate. The giants are gone, but their bones remain, unearthed by paleontologists. Fossils, tusks, skeletons, even preserved baby mammoths connect us to that lost world. These discoveries fire imaginations and fill museums, letting us stand in the shadows of giants. The Ice Age shaped our landscapes, lakes, soils, and valleys are its legacy. Extinction is a permanent part of life's story. The disappearance of the megafauna reminds us how sensitive life is to change. The Zorpods see that the Ice Age's legacy is all around us. The story of the Ice Age is the story of the modern world's birth. We are its inheritors. As the Zorpods prepare to leave, they reflect on Earth's ever-changing story. They've seen worlds shaped by ice, ruled by giants, and transformed by humanity. Earth is dynamic, always changing, shaped by cosmic forces and life's resilience. The tale of the Ice Age is a lesson. Climate and life are deeply connected. Today we face rapid climate change, this time driven by us. The past warns us, not all species can keep up. The Zorpods depart, but the adventure of discovery continues. Every fossil, every painting is a message from the past. It's up to us to learn, imagine, and protect our world. The story of Earth is ongoing, and we are all a part of it.